Hi, I'm Tommy with BuyToWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Many CB and amateur radio operators talk about using SSB, and you may have noticed that some radios include models labeled USB and LSB. But what exactly is SSB, and why is it so popular among long-distance operators? Here's what SSB is and how it works. SSB stands for single sideband. It is a form of AM, or amplitude modulation, but with a significant difference. In a standard AM signal, the transmitter sends a carrier along with two identical sidebands, called the upper sideband and lower sideband. Most of the transmitter's power actually goes into the carrier, even though the carrier itself contains no voice information. With SSB, the carrier and one of the sidebands are removed, leaving only a single sideband to carry the voice information. This makes SSB much more efficient. Because nearly all of the transmitter's power is concentrated into a single sideband, SSB signals can often communicate over much greater distances than standard AM using the same transmitter power. Another advantage of SSB is that it uses less bandwidth. A typical AM signal occupies around 6 kHz of bandwidth, while an SSB signal usually occupies only about 2.5 to 3 kHz. This allows more signals to fit into the same amount of spectrum. There are two types of SSB. USB stands for upper sideband, and LSB stands for lower sideband. On the amateur HF bands, operators generally use LSB on frequencies below 10 MHz and USB on frequencies above 10 MHz. On CB radio, channel 38 lower sideband is one of the most popular calling frequencies for long-distance contacts. One thing you may notice when listening to an SSB signal on an AM receiver is that it sounds distorted, or kind of like Donald Duck. That's because an SSB signal must be properly tuned and reinserted with a carrier inside the receiver in order to reproduce normal speech. SSB isn't just another mode on your radio. It's an extremely efficient form of modulation that allows operators to communicate farther while using less bandwidth and often less power than conventional AM. If you have any questions or want to know more about two-way radios, give us a call, email, or hit us up in our live chat at BuyToWayRadios.com. I'm Tommy with BuyToWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Class dismissed.